It's me, Carline, anglade-cole, and welcome to Testimonials That Rock. All right, this is the show that's going to help you create killer testimonials for kick butt results. All right, now in today's episode, I am going to show you the power of the direct approach to writing testimonials. Okay, this approach is exactly what it says. It is direct. Okay, you are not trying to hide that this is a testimonial. You're going to actually brag about it being a testimonial. You're going to get the customers, actually what they said, their actual testimonials. We're going to make a few tweaks and tighten the copy if necessary. Going to give it a killer headline for it, and then drop it in the copy. So I don't mess around with direct testimonials. They're very powerful. I have my little formula I'm going to show with you right now how I use it. And we're going to use our study guide, which is the new chelation miracle by True Health for the product. It's called Advanced Artery Solution. So we are going to go right to page 12 and take a look at this. All right. Now, like I said, when I'm using a direct approach, I don't mess around. It is in your face direct. So what I will do is I will do something where I will put a headline. In this case, can oral chelation therapy with advanced artery solution really make a difference to your health? Just ask these folks. And then bam, I drop in the testimonials. At times, I may need to tweak the copy if it's running too long. It's okay. With testimonials, you can make some tweaks and some edits to a testimonial, legally speaking, as long as you do not try to change the message. This is very important. You don't try to change the message. If somebody says this product, the product X was very good, you're not going to rewrite it and say, this is the best product I've ever seen, I've ever tried. No, that's not true. Don't do it. But you can make tweaks. You can kind of cut out extraneous copies, or you can keep it tight and so that, it doesn't make your copy just meander too long. So in this case, I have about a dozen or so testimonials on here. Notice every one of the testimonials has a headline right there. I try to make it a benefit-oriented headline. And then I rerun the copy, use quotes to show that it's coming from the person. So usually I'll use the first name and then the initial of the last name. I'd say Jerry W. from West Falmouth, Massachusetts. Okay, so there it is, a simple testimonial. Look what makes it powerful. Use a photograph. Okay, if you can get a real photograph, that's great. Sometimes your client allows you to use stock photography. That's okay too. I love real photos if I can possibly get them. Many of these are stock photography. Some are real people thrown in the midst of here. But anyway, you see the whole concept. Short, you got the paragraph or so of copy. You got a headline. You got who it's from. You use a photo on there. And then I make a whole spread where I'm showing all of these people and how they're, how much they love this amazing product. So yeah, you got to represent your market. That's the key thing you want to do. Okay. So anyway, this is a perfect example to me of how you can use a direct approach to showcase the product. And then you use different benefits that's bringing out that the product delivers. In this case, here's more energy. My heartbeat is almost back to normal. I feel better than I have in 2 weeks. So I've got more stamina. Different types of benefits in the headline. This is great for people who are just trying to scan and find out who here knows who I am, who can relate to who I am. And when they find somebody who looks like them, who says something that they would say, that will help you, grab their attention, and it will help you to actually nail the sale. Okay. So that is an example of a direct approach for a testimonial. Again, I like to do the spreads with those where I'll show them and have a nice big headline over everything. Put a headline on every testimonial. Okay. Again, scanners are going to look for it. Put a benefit in that headline so that they can see what they're getting. Okay. Got it? Sounds good? Sounds doable? All right. Got homework for you. I want you now to find a product that you recently purchased or you bought a while ago. It doesn't matter. Find a product that you actually purchased and then write a testimonial about that product. Keep in mind, give it a headline. Make your copy very, specific. Don't just meander all over the place. Say what you liked about the product. Keep your sentences short. Talk about the benefits of it. Keep it to 1 or 2 paragraphs total, but write a testimonial. Now, why am I telling you to write testimonials, right? Because You're a copywriter. When you start writing testimonials, you're going to get in the groove of doing it. So now when you receive testimonials from a client, you can look at them. You can say, all right, I can shorten this here. I can do this. I can tweak it. It's just a mind hand connection that works really great. So write a testimonial. Make sure it's got a headline on it. Give it a really punchy subject matter you're talking about. Put your name on there. And you know what? Send it to the product. Why not? If you wrote it, go ahead and send it to them. Okay. So that is how you do the direct approach. Got it? Practice it. You got it? All right. So now let's talk about the video again. Video testimonials are extremely powerful. I'm going to keep bringing up video testimonials throughout this whole series. Okay. So now, in this case, take a look at this video testimonial. This is one for one of my copy cubs about my crazy copy system live mentoring show. And take a look at how my copy cub gives very specific compliments or specific direction or the specific feeling of what it's like to be mentored by me. Take a look.
What first piqued my interest about joining Carline's Crazy Copy live mentorship program started with this book. My life as a 50-plus-year-old white male. So I bought the book and I downloaded all the bonuses and I signed up for Carline's email list. And when I found out that I could join an elite group of new and experienced copywriters who got to work directly with Carline Cole, I was all over it. I've been essentially a B-list writer for a number of years, and I was looking for something to help take me to the next level. And so having the opportunity to look over Carline's shoulder as she writes control busting copy, and then having the opportunity to have her look over my shoulder so she can give me the crits that I need to take my copy to the next level was an opportunity that I wasn't going to pass up.
Okay, so you see what I'm saying? Good video testimonials are targeted. They don't meander all over the place. So when you are looking for video testimonials, see if you can find one or two specific points that the prospect is saying and use that as your video testimonial, okay? That will give you a sharp message that can convey very well on video. All right, we'll talk more about video testimonials as we go through these episodes, okay? So make sure, first of all, you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, all right? Make sure you are a subscriber, not just a wanderer. Subscribe, join, click that bell, and so that you can get notices of when the new episodes come out, okay? And you know what, if you like what you just saw, give me a like. I like to be liked, okay? Give me a like. That's cool. Okay, so until next time, you go write that testimonial that rocks. See ya. Hey, it's me, Carline anglade-cole. Let me ask you a question. Do you really want to get your copywriting skills into high gear? Are you ready to work with an A-list copywriter? That's me, who will kick your butt, push you out of your comfort zone. And do you want to not only write killer copy, but get it tested by real clients and get paid while you learn? If so, I think you may be ready to check out my Crazy Copy System live mentoring show. So you want to know more about this unique crazy mentoring show? Then just go to www.members.carlinecole/ready-to-join and discover the most amazing copywriting experience of your life.